to this week's episode of Science Equals Awesome. My name is Rachel Ray, spelled differently. Today we are going to talk about air pressure. This is going to blow your mind. Has this ever happened to you?
And now look at me and be like, what?
Let's talk about how you can do this at home. You will need a hairdryer and ping pong ball or two. Hairdryer, ping pong ball or two. The reason this works is because the fast-moving air from the hairdryer creates a column of lower air pressure. The surrounding higher air pressure forces the ping pong ball to stay inside the column, making it easy to move the hairdryer around without losing control of the ping pong ball. I've been your host, Rachel Ray, spelled differently. I hope you enjoyed watching How Science Equals Awesome. Join us next time where I'll show you how to turn an apple into a car battery. What happened to my apple?